Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to clear cache file on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC is to press Windows plus R. And this round box here is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to type in percentage, temp, percentage, and click on OK. So it's going to open up all the cache file that you have on your Windows PC, and all this cache file here as a result of the software you install or software you use and the way and manner you browse on internet. So it's going to generate temporary cache file, and all these are consume a lot of storage space on your Windows PC. What you need to do is to make sure you delete everything. And for you to delete that, what you need to do next is to press Ctrl A to select all the file, and the next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on yes. Allow all the cache file to completely deleted from your Windows PC, just like what you see right here. Once everything is deleted, restart your PC and continue to do whatever you want to do on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not least, if you still have questions for me as far as how best to use your Windows PC is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.